Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you all the items which I got as part of my IBM Joining kit or IBM Welcome Kit. So first thing which I got was my ID card and my laptop. This is a MacBook. All developers and testers, they get MacBook. In my team at least. I don't know about the other teams or organizations which are there in IBM. So as I'm part of IBM ISL, at least ISL gives MacBooks to all the developers and the testers and even DevOps people, everyone mostly. Then after a few months of joining, they had a ISL welcome session. Welcome to software karke it is. So in that they gave me this bag, the headphones, the cap, the bottle and these two diaries and this t-shirt. So first day of joining, you will just get your laptop and your ID card and you have to start working from the next day. You will be reporting to your manager, you will sit where your team is sitting, you will get to know the flows and you will start taking KT sessions from your seniors and other people in your team and like start getting to know what work you have to do, how it will be, how the process is, what all things are followed in the team, like that. And you will be starting to work after 2-3 weeks of joining at least. Like you are expected to raise one PR at least within a month, and like some small tasks and something and all they will start giving you so that you get used to the code base. Okay, so yeah, this is the laptop on which I work on, which is currently here sitting on my desk. And this is the hat which I got, which I don't use much, but yeah, it is there. Sometimes I wear it. These headphones I'm using on day-to-day basis because these are very good JBL headphones. And this bag also I used to take to office, but now I don't. I have kept it at home. This t-shirt I wear sometimes. These two diaries are also there at home, but I don't use them much. And this bottle is right here with me. As you can see, it has worn out a little bit from the top. It has become a little old. Yeah, this is also still there. I still take it to office and drink water from this. Yeah, the bottle and the headphones I am using. The bag not I could have used, but I then changed to a new bag. The laptop is there. It's been almost 1 year, more than 1 year now since I had joined IBM last year in April 2025. Okay, that's all for this video. Just wanted to show you what all items I had gotten in my welcome kit and how my first few weeks were in IBM, how I started the work. So I'm working as a software developer, right? So my team, we do backend in Java Spring Boot and my front end is React. So I'm a full stack developer here. And initially I got some React project to work on where we were doing a library upgrade for our React apps. Then post that I was getting some bug fixes tickets which are there in our, so some issues which the QA people or the testers have raised, which are there in our production for our app. For those some tickets I had gotten, so I had to go through the code, see what is the issue, why is it behaving like that, and how it can be fixed. And I gave fixes for that, and gradually I started picking up on more important things like customer tickets and other major enhancement features of our products. So yeah, that's how the journey has been. It has been good. If you have any doubts or questions, you can put them in the comment box down below, and I'll see you in the next video.